Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 22nd on a Tuesday. And taking a quick look at the SPY, we've had a couple of green days and what's been kind of a nasty downtrend for the last 3 weeks. Good chance with the 10-period moving average coming down, sloping down. We're going to run right into that this morning, so keep an eye on that. I've taken lots of profits yesterday actually, and we'll probably take some more in the morning. But let's dive in because I am seeing some decent setups here. MNSO, it's a China play. It is gapping up. This is an earnings play that is gapping up above this resistance level. Maybe keep an eye the first 15-20 minutes, see if it can hold this level, and could be one of those gap and go real quick. So those are kind of tough, but I like the setup there. Another one is Ramp. All right, Ramp had a nice earnings move. All right, on this day right here, and it is pulled back to its 10-period moving average, but closing above that 10-period moving average. Maybe it is kind of a nice gap up today, so that's a tough one. Maybe around 31.50. Let's see. Roku is kind of a different breed. They had really good earnings, what appeared to be, and 3 up days. Now it is under pressure, but it's one of those stocks that's been holding its gap. Even though it's below its 10-period moving average, you might look for a 3-day high in this one, maybe above 81 in that one. TJX, okay, after earnings, been moving sideways, not pulling back very much at all. Just maybe look for a trade above that 90 level and put your little price alert in there. And VTRS, let's see where that is. Got it in here somewhere. There it is. And another one, it's been sloppy, but it's still holding this 10-period moving average. What you'd like to see is maybe a move above that 1145 level and that VTRS. That's it for today. Have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow.